Can I really pull off professional quality photos using ChatGPT? To start this process, I have my ring light on and I am turning my camera upside down to get the perfect shot. I do this several times just to get several different angles to make sure that I have, the angle that I need. You can do this as many times as you want. It's just better quality when you use your camera upside down, and I'm just using my iPhone 14. Hi guys, so I want to show you guys the back end of how I use ChatGPT to create professional photos for my website. And so you saw where I took the pictures on my iPhone and I showed you my process of that, and I want to show you the prompt that I use to put into ChatGPT to give me out a beautiful picture. So here is the picture that I took with my phone, and as you can see, the background is kind of dull a little bit. Let me see if I can actually make it bigger. Here it is. The background's a little dull. This would not be as aesthetically pleasing as I would like for my website, even though I probably could get into Canva, take the background, and it would be okay, but I wanted to go a step further. So this is the picture that I took with my iPhone, and here is the prompt that I use. And I told ChatGPT, I said, can you act as a professional photographer and edit this picture for my website? I want it on a plain beige or white background and the picture to be more clear and of better quality. That is the prompt that I use. Very short, very sweet, very simple. And this is what ChatGPT gave me. As you can see, this is what it spit out. It took it about maybe 30 seconds to a minute to edit the photo, but this is what it gave me. And this is the same picture that I took with my iPhone. And this is ChatGPT taking it, putting it on a plain background and making the picture a more clear and of better quality. And it's perfect for a website. And this is perfect when you don't have the money to spend on a product photo shoot starting out, and this is just perfect to have clear, concise photos for your website because they look professional and they look put together. And that is what I do for all of my pictures. I just want to put a note in. I just want to drop a pin right here, is that when you have the free version of ChatGPT, you will only be able to edit about 4 or 5 pictures a day. And so now, if you want to get on the free trial of ChatGPT, I think it's like a week, a 7-day trial or something. You can take those 7 days and edit as many pictures as you would like and then cancel the free trial. But know that when you are on the free version, it will only let you do 4 to 5 pictures a day. And so it will reboot for the next 24-hour period. And if you have a lot of products, know that it's going to take you a couple of days to edit each photo because of how ChatGPT has their service set up. And so another thing that I want to know is that you can do the free trial for 7 days, but go ahead and have all your pictures ready to go. That way it can just spit them out back to back to back. And after the 7-day free trial, you can discontinue the paid service. You can discontinue the paid service with ChatGPT. That way you're not paying for something that you're really probably not going to use much. I use it for a lot of different things with my business because it is just me, and it is an amazing service. And so if you guys want me to show you how I use ChatGPT for other things in my business, like marketing, I use it for social media, I use it for content calendars and different things of that nature. If you want me to show you that, I also use it for email marketing. I can always do a voiceover video of showing you guys the back end of how I do that and how ChatGPT can really be a great resource to use in your business when you're first starting out and you may not have the funds to pay professionals to do all this stuff. ChatGPT is a great resource. And so that is how I edit pictures with ChatGPT.